Here's how to change Apple ID email without losing data. Now, if you have your iPhone or an iPad or a Mac and you don't want to lose any of the photos, the messages, the apps, etc., I'll show you specific steps that you need to go through. The first thing we're going to do is head into the Settings app on your phone or whatever device you have and tap on your name at the very top. I would highly recommend first just tapping on iCloud and backing up your device. Just in case something goes awry, you'll always have that backup on the iCloud to be able to recover everything. So let's tap on iCloud backup here. You can see backup this phone is turned on, but I'm going to tap backup now just in case. Now keep in mind, if you don't have your device with you, I'll also show you an option if you don't have that device and you're just on some other random device. Now let's go back out of here, and at the very beginning of your Apple account, you can see this is my Apple account. If I scroll down and hit the sign out button, it says erase this iPhone after signing out. And even if you hit sign out but don't erase, it will still remove some data on your iPhone, essentially eliminating the ability to keep everything and not lose any data, but change that Apple ID email or login. Now you have another option. Let's go out of here. And instead of that, under the Apple account still, tap on sign in and security. Now the nice thing is if you just want a different phone number or email associated with that Apple ID account, you can just change it on your existing account and then you won't lose any data. So you can see here email and phone numbers. I'm going to tap on add email or phone number and existing email address. You can do the same steps for a phone number, and you can see just enter in that email here, and it says the verification code will be sent to this address. By going through this process, you're keeping the core Apple account, but you're just changing the login email for that account. After you've gone through that process, all you need to do is tap on the old email, and you're gonna hit remove from account. And the new email that you just added, I would highly recommend turning on primary email for that email account. Now, if you don't have that device with you, another option is just to open up a web browser, because you can do this on a web browser on any device. All you're going to do is go to iforgot.apple.com, and then you can go through here and reset your password to be able to log in if you don't know that password, and then you're logged into your Apple ID account. Or if you know your Apple ID account password, you can go directly to account.apple.com. After you've done that, you're going to hit the sign in button. And again, just log into your old Apple ID account here. And after you've done that, all I'm going to do once I'm logged in is find where it says email and phone number and tap on that. Same as before, all I need to do is tap on that little plus here, and I can enter in a new email address, essentially changing the login for that old Apple ID account, but not losing any of the data because it's still the core same account. I've just updated how I can log in.